The underwater Hunga Tonga volcano erupted off the island of Tonga. A massive volcanic eruption triggered one of the most powerful explosions ever recorded, sending ash, gas, and steam miles into the atmosphere and causing a tsunami on January 15th of 2022. This occurred in the South Pacific Ocean about 40 miles north of Tonga's main island. The eruption was caused by a violent interaction between magma and seawater, creating an explosive reaction. This event was one of the most extreme eruptions in modern history, impacting global weather and communications.
The Hunga Tonga underwater volcanic eruption of 2022, initially thought to potentially cause dramatic warming, was later found to contribute to short-term cooling in 2023 and 2024. The eruption released a large amount of water vapor, a greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. However, satellite analysis showed that more energy was leaving the climate system than entering it, leading to cooling effects worldwide, but it was primarily concentrated in the southern hemisphere. By the end of 2023, most atmospheric particles had dissipated. The eruption also caused a significant damage to marine ecosystems, particularly to the ones found on the sea floor, like mollusks. And this is because of the ash remnants. The eruption impacted multiple Earth systems, including the lithosphere with the tectonic plate activity, atmosphere because of the aerosols that were blown out into the stratosphere, and the hydrosphere since it happened underwater.
The devastating tsunami resulted in 3 confirmed deaths and affected over 84,000 people, more than 80% of Tonga's population. The eruption destroyed homes, contaminated water supplies, and decimated livestock, with up to 70% of livestock rearing households losing animals and grazing land. Fisheries across the region were advised to avoid fishing due to contamination, while communication was severely disrupted by damage to Tonga's underwater cable. Thankfully, the capital's hospital remained functional, treating those injured in the disaster. The impact extended beyond Tonga, reaching as far as Peru, where a massive oil spill damaged 2 natural reserves. Tonga, heavily reliant on tourism, foreign aid remittances, and agriculture, faced challenges in responding to the crisis, relying on international aid and volunteer efforts to recover. Slowed by the ongoing pandemic, recovery is still underway, but Tonga is slowly rebuilding from the effects of this devastating event.
There was a lack of community preparedness during the eruption, and people were unable to get the supplies they needed from neighboring areas as well as on the island. There was also a lack of warnings about the tsunami that came from the eruption due to the island's main communication being from an underwater cable network system, which was destroyed during the tsunami. People in the area did not know about the tsunami until it had already happened.